For Extend 3.1, it's very similar to what we did back in Apply. Again, you want to go back and you want to download and extract Extend 3 zip file. Again, what's going to be in there, that will be your HTML file along with your images that you have. So you want to put this stuff, again, back on your desktop in the Extend folder. Don't bring over the zip file, just bring over the content. So when we're looking at it back in Dreamweaver, again, we pull this up, again, we should be seeing the Extend 3, the images, and you also have your other folders in there from Chapter 2. So when you're working on this, again, a couple of new things that we're going to be doing. Number one, you're going to be putting a background image, okay, on the actual page. Okay, so yes, you are putting images on here. Okay, so that will be one thing that's going to be a little bit different. You're also going to be controlling your links on how they look, like the rollover color, the hover, the visited. So like for Maui, that's going to be one we have to go back, and then you have to do a link down here on the national park one as well, I believe. So again, you want to show me this information over here in your video, browser preview. Again, simply you don't have to click on the link to Maui, just mouse over that so I can see that it's underlined and it does turn orange. Same thing down here. Again, you mouse over it, should turn orange and should be underlined for links. And scroll down so I can see this. And again, I should be able to see your background image on here. Again, Maui should be your page title. So that wraps up Extend.